Good morning, guys. It's H. What's up, you guys? So right now, I'm just seeing what stuff I need to get. Oh, James and John Peach is done. Just getting, just cleaning up some stuff. Trying to stay organized a little bit because up there needs to be a lot organized up there. Because I'm gonna switch some stuff around because it's kind of getting annoying that with that, and I'm doing some dishes tonight, this afternoon, whenever, like, right away, and clean up this area, and probably getting another computer, TV monitor there probably, so I can keep eye on both screens. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but that's what I'm thinking. Oh dear, this morning my toilet backed up, but we got it fixed. So that's exciting. And then we got it fixed. Time to clean it, you guys. It's cleaning day today because it's dreary outside. It's raining outside. But I'm going to take out the garbage. So talk to you guys then, and I'll show you guys when I am outside.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm gonna organize up there, these cupboards right up here, because these cupboards need to be done. So talk to you guys then. So I don't know what to have for supper. I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet. I might do some streaming tonight. I don't know. I'm not 100% yet sure. But I might do some streaming. I know I'm gonna have to go to my parents' place to do some laundry tonight. So that's exciting. Really neat that we are gonna do some laundry. Gonna do some cleaning up my apartment a little bit. See what stuff we need and what stuff we need to make sure everything's nice and good, make sure everything's charged, everything's good. So talk to you guys. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm trying to figure out what to have for lunch. I'm gonna have homemade cheddar. But what kind of meat should we have with it? There's some cookies that I need to eat up sometime. We could have some broccoli with it, because I haven't had broccoli for a while. That's my vegetables. Let's see, where's my meat that we can have? What kind of meat should we have? I don't know. Thumbs up for my new. I'm bleeding right there, you guys, yes. But that's okay, because I did some shaving. So, I don't know what to have for meat. Let's see, what kind of meats do we have in the freezer? So talk to you guys when I look in the freezer. Decided to have some sausages with it because I found some old sausages that I had all about it. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So I'm gonna try to organize my freezer a little bit much better because right now it's all over the place. So talk to you guys when I'm organizing my freezer before I start. Hey guys, I'm back, you guys, and I'm gonna make supper right now, you guys, because I'm craving for supper because I'm starving a little bit. This is so hard. Sometimes it's hard to hold a camera and do this at the same time. Most of the time, so that's why I try to do it, but sometimes it's challenging with using one hand for the camera and one hand for doing things. So that's pretty cool and exciting. I'm just going to turn down the heat for this one. That's amazing and cool at the same time. I'm gonna make some cheese sauce for the broccoli, so that's what I'm gonna have. So talk to you guys when I'm done making it. The finished touch of my meal that I'm gonna have, so talk to you guys when I'm done eating. Hey guys, so right now you guys, I'm just heading to my pants to do my laundry, so that's pretty cool and exciting, so talk to you guys then. Just got home, you guys, so I'm gonna end today's video, so talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video, so goodbye.